differentiation. Differentiation in mathematics is the process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. In contrast to the abstract nature of the theory behind it, the practical technique of differentiation can be carried out by purely algebraic manipulation using 3 basic derived and forms of operation and a knowledge of how to manipulate the function. Why do we use differentiation? Application of differentiation can help us to solve a lot of real-life problems. For example, it can be used to calculate the profit and loss in a business using graph, to check the temperature variation, also to determine the speed or distance covered such as mile per hour and kilometer per hour, and more. Application of differentiation can also be used in derive in many equations in physics and chemistry too. Before we go through this topic, let's learn about the history first. Who invented Rolle's theorem? The theorem was provided in 1691 by the French mathematician Michel Rolle. True, it was stated without a modern formal proof in the 12th century by the Indian mathematician Pascal II. Next, who invented mean value theorem? Mean value theorem was first defined by Dr. Sri Parameswara Namodiri, a famous Indian mathematician and astronomer from the Kerala School of Astronomy Mathematician in India. In the modern form, it was proved by Crouch in 1833.
For the Rolle's theorem question, find the value of C that satisfies the conclusion of Rolle's theorem on the indicated interval by the given function fx equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5 interval of 1, 5. First, we need to state 2 conditions for the Rolle's theorem, which is the first condition is fa equal to fb, and the second condition is f prime c equal to 0. From this question, we need to identify the value of a and the value of b. From this question, we can see that the value of a is equal to 1 and the value of b is equal to 5, and then we need to substitute the value in the function of fx equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5. For the a value, if we substitute the value, we can see the answer equal to 0. And for the b value, when we substitute it, we can see the answer is also 0. It tells us that fa equal to fp, which is f1 equal to f5. It tells us that the question is already satisfied the first condition. Next, we look for the second condition, which is f prime c equal to 0. F prime c is actually f prime x, which is the differentiation of x. From this question, it gives us the function of fx equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5. From this question, we need to find the f prime x, and we need to differentiate the equation. When we differentiate the equation, we can find the value is 2x minus 6, and the s value we just substitute it with c, and we will get 2c minus 6. We look for the second condition, which is f prime c equal to 0. We write it back, and then we will get 2c minus 6 equal to 0, and then we will find the answer of c is equal to 3.
So now I will explain about mean value theorem. What is mean value theorem? Mean value theorem for differentiation states that if fx is differentiable on AB and continuous AB, then there is at least one point C in AB where f prime C equal to fb minus fa multiplied by b minus a. So the question is, find the value or values of C that satisfy the mean value theorem from the function f(x) equal to 3 minus 4x squared in the interval 2, 5. From this question, we have to find the values of C that will satisfy the mean value theorem from the function given. So the first step is we have to find fa and fb. So we know that 2 is A while 5 is B. So we have to substitute 2 and 5 into the equation. So fa, which is f2, equal to 3 minus 4 times 2 square. So we got the answer negative 13. While the other one is fb, which is f5, equal to 3 minus 4 times 5 square. So we got the answer negative 97. So move on to the second one, which is f prime c. We know that f prime c is actually the f prime x with the differentiation of the function x. So we have to differentiate the f x first. So we got the answer f prime x, which is negative 8x. From this question, they want us to find the value of c. So we have to change x to c. So f prime c equal to negative 8c. After we got all the informations, we have to use the equation given, which is f prime c equal to fb minus fa multiplied by b minus a. We know that f prime c, which is negative 8c, equal to fb, which is negative 97, minus fa, which is negative 13. So negative 97 minus negative 13 multiplied by b minus a, which is 5 minus 2. So after we put all the information that we searched before this into the equation, so we have to simplify all of it so that we got the final answer, which is c equal to 3.5. That's all from me. Thank you.
For the conclusion, the mean value theorem states that if a function f is continuous on the closed interval ab and differentiable on the open interval ab, then there exists a point c is equal to the function's average rate of change over ab. So we can conclude that this formula is very important in our life. We can use it to solve so much problem that come over in our day. Lastly, we want to give our thanks to our lecturer, Madam Dr. Ms. Liza, for providing us this opportunity and for giving us lots of help while completing this group assignment.